Hey, to share your live location on the Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you have to do is just to open your Google Maps. Now, from this, all we have to do is just to click on the right upper corner on this account and go into the location sharing. Now, we have to click to fix if you have this location issue, click to go to the settings and simply allow these notifications, then just go back. And now you can click on the new share, accept the permissions, click continue, and now you can actually pick someone from your list. So let's say that I want to share this real-time location for 1 hour and with this email, but also you can share it until you manually turn it off, select your contact and then tap to share. Then accept all of these permissions, enable location for all the time, then go back. Now wait for the loading process. Okay, it looks like it takes too much time, but right now it's actually working. And right now you share your location with this account. So that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.